Alright, in case any of you guys are wondering what the new movie map looks like on the new AVOD system of the 787, here it is, and I'm going to let it go through the different screens. Obviously, this one was on the old system. It shows you how much daylight you have left, where it's shining, where it's nighttime. Here we are. Shows the max speed, tailwind, ground speed.
That's pretty good.
Shows how far we went. Time of arrival, altitude, distance, time in Houston, time in Houston. Time of arrival, distance to Houston, ground speed, tailwind. Air temperature, and it shows the route. So basically, you guys have it, the map system on the 787 Dreamliner. The new AVOD system will have this type of map.